Okay. I really hope I get a good fish, but I'm getting bored. I haven't seen any things, but I hope the fish, like, that's so cool. It's, oh, um, oh, you get so many fish there. I wish it was real. Too bad. Try to catch a fish. Oh, I got something. Catch it. Oh, I don't want that. I have to send that back now. Hey, what is that? What is this place? Hold up. I'm in a cave. I never recognize this. There's a elf. I think this is dangerous. Just a fisherman. That. Okay. What is that? It's like a good thing I bought my flashlight. I was bringing around camera back with and that. So. Okay. Alright. Where am I? I think I'm out of fish's spine. If I'm correct. I don't know for sure. Just a fisherman who studies fish. I'm not in here to fight. God. Falling down. Okay, what is this place? Ew. What is this? Oh my god, there's a heart. Ew. Am I even gonna be able to survive? Can't beat him. Okay. It's like, oh my god. It's true. The lakes. It's true. Oh my god. Oh, this place is beautiful. I'm fishing right out. I don't need this anymore. Oh, I fishing right up. Nice. This is good. Oh. Oh my god. It's easy for me now. I got a bag.
Oh, give me my grapple.
What? Cool. Let's explore this place. I have to be falling here. You're right in front of me. Come on. Wow. So cool. What the heck? Been here. Alright. Just gonna enjoy the view for a bit. Alright. Hello? was that? I got a gun. Who is there? Who's there?
Oh, this is my first time. I can't do it.
Me either.
Bro, this is... Ah!
What? Is this guy using a hacker? Where is he? Where did he go? Hey, what are you doing? Back up. What are you doing?
I don't like to do this. He forces me. Why?
Die. Dare to hurt me again. Howard. Alright, taking you to the hospital. My bad. Close to you. Better back up. Right now, back up. Alright, better escape me. Think.
I'm sorry.
All
He
right.
made me do it too.
Give me all your stuff.
Right,
Drop
man.
all your weapons. Drop everything.
Stop.
What are you gonna do?
Dad, run. Run. He forces me to do this. I don't like to do this. He makes me. Don't shoot him.
That guy
Don't.
is your father.
Don't.
You're the same age as me. Oh,
He forces me to carry all this in my bag.
why would he?
Get away from them.
Ow! Back up! Do it again harder. Alright, now give me everything. Okay, I mean every single you own. Give me
Everything you say.
You're
Whoa,
gonna hit me.
Put your hands up. No, I'm sorry.
Alright, drop everything right now. Drop everything.
I took revenge for you, son. And he knocked me out.
What happened? Who are you? Who are you? What? Who are you? Tell me who you are. You keep running. You're cornered. Alright, tell me what you did and why you saved me.
He's rude to me and you were nice. He knocked you out, so I hit him.
You
Until he was knocked out.
wanna come with me? I'll protect you.
Only if you feed me better.
Okay, I'll give you
He only feeds me beans.
a chair. See this? This is dangerous. Alright, so this gotta go.